guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to shut down your PC completely. So first go to your right click and go to task manager. After that, go to performance. Over here you can see over here CPU, you can see over here uptime is showing right now this. So how to shut down your PC completely? So cancel this and go to the control panel. In control panel, choose the power options. After that, choose what the power option button do. After that, change settings and uncheck this option and click save changes and cancel this. And now just you have to restart your PC right over here. After you restart your PC, you can go again over here, task manager. In performance, you can see now your PC will not go in hibernation zone. So guys, very simple and very easy. So guys, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.